Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle in not in today's newspaper because today is actually Sunday. It's in the yesterday's news paper on Saturday, May the 14th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number, I believe, 4556. 4556. All right. 4556. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy. Oh, 15. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. This one has 15. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, 50 minutes. Let's get started with this puzzle. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Can we see here the dual box? I see here the dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. So let me... Oh! Single box. Overlook this one. It's a 1. So, dual box, it contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here also. A dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Triple box then. We have a triple box there. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here also a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And when you see a triple box, remember the box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. Same for here. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. All right. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No quadra. Well, we have 1 quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So 1 more box left for the 3 should be there. 3 boxes left. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here a 1. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. All right. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah, here. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Only 1 T shape. Oh, right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, a 4. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. We have 2 of them. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? The shape, let me draw this here. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. right? We see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, another one. Yeah, so this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So one box left in this dual box for the number 1. All right. We have only 2 of them. Yes, only 2 of them. And the last one, this L shape. If here the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. All right, so this box has the same name as that box. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those shapes that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. All right. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5. It goes there. All right, I think these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. All right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box, now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. All right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. Well, that means that box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. That means we have a double 5 here. I cannot place a 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Almost finished. Let me see. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Oh, yeah. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So it's not a solution, place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Final 2 numbers in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15. Oh, 2 numbers left. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Well, still 30 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. summer-wise Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow. New week, new puzzles on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.